Jeremiah 29 verse 12, then you will call on me and come and pray to me, and I will listen to you. 1 Thessalonians 5 verse 17, pray continually. Matthew 6 verse 6, but when you pray, go into your room, close the door and pray to your Father, who is unseen. Then your Father, who sees what is done in secret, will reward you. James 5 verse 16, therefore confess your sins to each other and pray for each other so that you may be healed. The prayer of a righteous person is powerful and effective. Philippians 4 verse 6, do not be anxious about anything, but in every situation, by prayer and petition, with thanksgiving, present your requests to God. Romans 12 verse 12, be joyful in hope, patient in affliction, faithful in prayer. Psalm 145 verse 18, the Lord is near to all who call on Him, to all who call on Him in truth. 1 John 5 verse 14, this is the confidence we have in approaching God, that if we ask anything according to His will, He hears us. Mark 11 verse 24, therefore I tell you, whatever you ask for in prayer, believe that you have received it, and it will be yours. Colossians 4 verse 2, devote yourselves to prayer, being watchful and thankful. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time. God bless you.